VP Online AI Cost Breakdown Structure Generator helps you visualize expenses, identify key cost drivers, and plan your budget more effectively. In VP Online, you can access the generator from the list under AI Tools, or browse the AI Tools page to explore which tool best suits your needs. Inside the generator, enter the project description, then press the Generate Cost Breakdown Structure button. A diagram will be generated below. If there are specific cost areas you want to include, simply add them to your description. Then, regenerate the diagram. The newly added aspects will appear in the updated structure. To edit and export the diagram, press the View or Edit Diagram button. For example, if you only need certain aspects, you can remove other nodes suggested by the tool. You can also easily change the theme of the diagram with just a few clicks. To save your customized diagram, press the Save button and log into your account. If you are using the Combo Edition or above, the diagram will be saved and displayed without a watermark. You can continue editing the saved diagram, such as adjusting text width and font style to match your preferences. When everything is ready, export the diagram in the format that suits your needs and download it to your device.